beautiful, isn't it? That's why.
Love you.
Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Empress D. I know I haven't really been introducing myself because, you know, I kind of feel like my little family, well, it was 16 subscribers. I think now I have like 24. So welcome to my new subscribers, and I am happy to have you here, and I'm happy that you're planning to grow the Empress D family. I am doing a glitter series, and this is the second look that I have done, and I'm just gonna come in so you guys can see what's going on with my eyes. So if you want to see how I have achieved this look, just stay tuned, and as usual I will go through it with you step by step. I am trying to cut down my video times because they are long, like really long, but I will still be showing you the steps that I take. This is a tutorial series doing glitters, and this is my second episode. Make sure you check out my first one. If you are new, and if you are just browsing and you just happen to come across my video, then please like this video and subscribe and grow the Empress D family. Okay, we are all growing, we are all expanding, and I would love to have you in the Empress D family. So stay tuned.
Well, you can't dictate my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up in case you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it, doing it. Let them respect you for
Right guys, so we're gonna start off with one eye completed as usual, and like I said in my intro, is my glitter series, and it is my second look. So just to explain what's going on here, like both brows are done, but these are my brows from this morning when I went to work. But I don't wear foundation and stuff when I go to work. I literally just do my brows, put on some liner, top and bottom, and maybe a little bit of lipstick or lip gloss if I feel like it. I'm an ordinary girl. So I'm just gonna run through what I'm using on my eyes, and then I guess during when I'm doing my face, then I'll probably just put them up, and then I'll just list them in the description below. So if you watch my first series, you would have seen that I only have glitters from Glitter Chic and glitters from eBay, because I don't think it's worth buying glitters for $25 US, £25, £10. I don't think it makes sense. Maybe I would buy a glitter that's $7 or something, but at the moment the one that I'm seeing, they're ridiculous, and I'm just not gonna do it. So anyways, we have a glitter here from Glitter Chic, and this is a gold. It's like a two-tone, but for the life of me I cannot remember what it's called right now. Then we are also going to be using the Juvias Place, the Warrior palette, and this is what it looks like. I've had this palette for a while now, but I don't find myself reaching for it, only because if you've watched videos on my channel, you would know that I am a colors girl, and this, yeah, I did buy it thinking I would start to do neutral looks. Maybe I should do a neutral series. Maybe I should, because I don't ever do neutral looks. But yeah, so we're going to be using this and gel liner. It's not branded or anything, and we are also going to be going in with the NYX VIVID Brights blue liner, which is what's here. I'm wondering now if I should just bring this down to there. I probably should. Do I? We'll see at the end of the video if I do change my mind and do it. So we're just going to jump on right in, and we are going to start with cleaning up the brows. And I will be going in with the P.louise base, and this is in the shade Rumor 5. the real thing start. Oh Lord, the whole place mash up, the whole place done. I what is done. The whole place bun. Georgie in every cut, begging promoters, singing for free. But nonsense. Anything that you do for me, I'll do for you 10 times over. 10 times over, baby.
Hello, hi. Me and my friend, Mr. Rum, is here to destroy your party. You up? Static.
I had some stress.
So I take some shots. But your mom got sick, ready to just spoil. I heard a voice talking in my head. They say go to the bed, you can't go to your bed. So I say, who is talking and where you from? The voice tell me my name is Mr. Rum. You hear the iron? That means it's stop. Don't let nobody style you. Mash it up flat, tell me pick up something. Anything.
Rum tell me to grab something.
Anything. I just want to pick up something. Anything. Watch how I go grab something. Rum tell me to run with it, run with it, run with it. Pick up something, start to run with it. And you see all my haters. Normally I duck you, but the way I drink my rum now, I want to tell you. You tell me pick up something, anything.
Right now, guys, I'm just going to go and do my base, and I'll come back and finish my eyes and lips, etc. Because right now I'm turning up that just a little bit too much. Okay. Right, you guys, so this is our final look, and if I say so myself, I am feeling it. Like, I am really feeling it. So just to let you guys know what I did to finish off my eyes, I went in and did my waterline in white, and then I used the same NYX Vivid Brights under here, and I just added a bit of glitter, not too much because my eyes was watering a little bit too much, so that's not something that, you know, I couldn't have gone overboard with the glitters. And then I just used some black mascara and just did my bottom lashes, but that is it. Like, we are finished and we are lit. If you're wondering what I have on my lips, I will list it below. But guess what? This is the QiBest Long Lasting Professional Cosmetic Lipstick, and this is in the shade 610, and this comes from Aliexpress. And I can tell you now that I only paid something like pence. I think it was 80 something pence for this, and look at this. Tell me you aren't feeling that, because I am. Yeah. Get yourself one, okay?